In this slide, we will see one of the 8 Gradle build files above is settings.gradle.kts file, project settings. This file is located in the root project directory. In this file, the plugin management block specifies where Gradle should look for plugins that are used in the project. Think of it as telling Gradle, here's where to find the tools you need to build my app. Next, the repositories block inside plugin management block lists the sources for these plugins. Google refers to Google's repository, which contains Android SDK and other Google libraries. Maven Central is a central repository for many open source libraries. Gradle Plugin Portal is the default Gradle plugin repository. Next, the Include Group by Regex block tells Gradle to include plugins that match a specific pattern. For instance, com.android.dro will include all Android SDK-related plugins. com.google includes Google-related plugins, and Android X includes Android X libraries. Next, the Dependency Resolution Management block defines how dependencies, libraries, are resolved across the entire project. Repositoriesmode.set positoriesmode.fail honors on project repos. This means that all repositories are declared at the global level. No module should declare its own repositories. Next, the root project.name sets the name of your main project. In this case, it's first app. The include app. This line includes the app module. In most Android projects, this module contains all the code for your application. Yep, that's the content of settings.gradle.kts file and how they are used. We will continue going to see the next Gradle build file in the next slide.